Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study efficiently during Ramadan. First, create a flexible study schedule that respects your fasting and prayer times. Consider dedicating 2 to 3 hours after suhoor for deep work, when your energy is often highest. Also, plan for 1 to 2 hours of study after iftar, perhaps before Taraweeh prayers. Remember to integrate short, 10-minute breaks every 45 to 60 minutes to keep your mind fresh and focused throughout the day. Next, optimize your study environment. Find a quiet, well-lit area where you can concentrate without interruptions. Break down your study material into smaller, 20 to 30-minute chunks to make it less daunting. Employ active learning techniques like summarizing concepts in your own words or teaching them to an imaginary friend. Also, ensure you drink at least 8 glasses of water during non-fasting hours to maintain optimal brain function and energy levels. Proper nutrition and sleep are crucial. For suhoor, choose complex carbohydrates and proteins to provide sustained energy for up to 8 hours. At iftar, break your fast with dates and water, then enjoy a balanced meal. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep daily, which you can split into a few hours after iftar and a longer rest before suhoor. Avoid heavy, fried foods and excessive sugar to prevent sluggishness. Finally, maintain your motivation and overall well-being. Set achievable daily study goals, perhaps focusing on 2 to 3 key topics. Engage in light exercise, like a 20-minute walk after iftar, to boost your mood and energy. Connect with study groups or friends for mutual encouragement and to discuss challenging concepts. Remember the spiritual rewards of Ramadan. This perspective can provide immense strength and focus for your studies.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.